This is a Tannewitz table saw, pretty much one of the Cadillacs of table saws. Tannewitz company manufactured table saws from the very late 1800s right on up. They still actually manufacture band saws today. They made table saws and band saws. And if you went back to the early 1920s and 30s and 40s, when all the car companies like Ford and Cadillac and Duesenberg built cars, and aerospace and airplane companies used a lot of woodwork like Hughes Aircraft and whatnot. All these companies basically used Tannewitz table saws, and a lot of the companies ran these things 3 shifts a day, 7 days a week. And then after things changed and progressed and they stopped doing the woodwork, a lot of this equipment was sold off to furniture manufacturers that then used it 7 days a week. The tops on all these were all hand scraped cast iron. The only place you would have normally found anything that was hand scraped is in precision levels, or precision machinery was hand scraped. They're all direct drive motors, mostly 5 horsepower direct drive motors. There's no belts or anything. Absolutely hard to comprehend if you use something like a Delta saw, or what people think is such a great thing, and then you use one of these. It's like comparing a Ford to a Rolls Royce. I mean, this saw, what I'm standing by now, actually weighs 3,200 pounds. The whole thing, everything is cast iron, and they were built to last. These weren't built to last a year or two and be thrown away. They were built to last and built to be used.